gRPC Security Best Practices. gRPC is fast, efficient, and handles complex service-to-service interactions beautifully. But the same efficiency and interconnectedness that makes gRPC powerful also creates a security surface that needs serious attention. Let's cover 5 best practices to keep your gRPC services protected. For more detail, check out the blog post linked in the description. Number 1. Leverage protocol buffer schema validation. Protocol buffers give you built-in message validation, so your proto definitions are your first line of defense. Define strict schemas with precise data types, required fields, and valid ranges. When messages arrive, validate them against your proto definitions before processing. This catches malformed or abnormal messages automatically, but don't stop there. Add application-level input sanitation on top of schema validation. Just because a message matches your proto doesn't mean it's safe. Validate business logic and sanitize any user-supplied data that flows through your gRPC services. Number 2. Implement fine-grained service access controls. In microservices architectures, services call other services constantly, so apply the principle of least privilege at the service level. Each gRPC service should only have permissions for the specific operations it needs to perform. Use service identity and authentication to verify which service is making each call. Implement authorization checks that validate not just that a service can connect, but that it's allowed to invoke specific methods on your gRPC endpoints. This prevents lateral movement. If one service is compromised, attackers can't automatically pivot to other services in your mesh. Number 3. Use mutual TLS for service authentication. Standard TLS encrypts your connections, but mutual TLS takes it further, so both client and server authenticate each other. For gRPC, implement mutual TLS so every service proves its identity before communication begins. This bidirectional authentication is crucial for service-to-service communication where both sides need verification. If you're deploying on Google Cloud, consider ALTS, or Application Layer Transport Security. It provides mutual authentication and transport encryption built specifically for gRPC within Google's infrastructure. The result? Every connection is encrypted and authenticated in both directions. Number 4. Secure both transport and message layers. Defense in depth means securing multiple layers. For gRPC, that's transport security and message level security working together. Transport security is your TLS implementation. It protects the connection. Message level security uses token-based authentication integrated with identity providers like Auth0 or Okta. Configure authentication mechanisms that validate tokens on every request. Even if someone compromises the transport layer, they still can't make authenticated calls without valid tokens. Use OAuth 2.0, JWT bearer tokens, or OpenID Connect for message-level authentication. This ensures that individual operations require proper credentials, not just the connection. Number 5. Monitor and log service mesh operations. Visibility into your service mesh is critical for security. Implement comprehensive logging of all gRPC operations. Track which services call which endpoints, how frequently, and with what data. Monitor for unusual patterns, such as unexpected service-to-service calls, high request volumes, or failed authentication attempts. These logs serve 2 purposes: detecting attacks in progress and providing audit trails for post-incident analysis. If a service is compromised, your logs show exactly how attackers moved through your mesh and what data they accessed. In summary, there are 5 essential practices for gRPC security. Protocol buffer validation, fine-grained access controls, mutual TLS, layered authentication, and comprehensive monitoring. Start securing your gRPC services today. Visit StackHawk.com to learn more.